to swipe through the widgets, you can just go to specific view. So for example, here is time and calendar view, and then you can just swipe down, and then you can just see different types of calendars and reminders and all of that. Then to see different type of content like photos, you just swipe to the left, to the right. Then you just swipe up again to see different types of photos. And I actually really like this, photo frames option, because it's like you don't need to buy some Aura frames or some other devices specifically for your photo frames. It's a pretty cool feature. And then photos, you can swipe between featured, nature, cities. And then here, for example, if you just go to the clock, you can just swipe through different widgets here as well. So that's how you just change the layout. That's how you enable. So currently there are like clock, photos, and then just date kind of calendar, and then you can swipe through the stocks. Again, clock, date, weather, some some reminders and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty cool feature.